Hello everybody, my name is Carolin. Today we are going to create a volcano. But first, let's learn a little bit of it. A volcano is formed when a hot melting rock, ash and gases escape from an opening in the Earth's surface. The melting rock and ash solidify as they cool, forming the distinctive volcano. As a volcano erupts, it spills lava that flows down slope. Hot ash and gases are thrown into the air. Sounds impressive, right? Let's see the materials we need for this experiment. Here are the materials you need for the volcano experiment. You need a plastic plate, baking soda, food coloring, vinegar, and a plastic glass. When you have all the materials, you can start building your volcano to have something like this. Okay? Your volcano needs to have a hole in the center. Then you are going to put the baking soda, food coloring, and the vinegar. The lava that spills from the volcano occurs because of a chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. The baking soda reacts with a vinegar to produce carbon dioxide gas. Now it's your turn to create your volcano.